my Kimmi the Clown coloring books at itskimmi.com or Amazon. Today I'm going to be coloring in my Dr. Seuss Imagine coloring book. Let's get started. Okay, so first let's remove the Imagine ink marker. It says use your Imagine ink marker here to see how it works. Use your Imagine ink marker to search for and reveal hidden images. Let's try it out on this picture up here. Aw, so cute! Let's see what's on the next page. Color the picture and see if you can find all the hidden items listed in the box. Okay, so we need to find a red A, a green B, 5 bubbles, and a blue C. Oh, look, here's the green B and the word below. And there are the 5 bubbles. Here's the blue C and the word camel. And there's the red A and the word above. Yay, we found everything. Okay, on this page it looks like we need to find a gray G, a girl, some hay, and a blue I. Okay, here's the girl and the gray G. And there's the hay. And there's the blue eye. All right. On this page, we're looking for a moon, an orange O, an owl, and a nose. Okay, here's the owl and the nose. And there's the orange O and the word ostrich. And there's the moon. What a cool picture. This one we need to find a green S, 10 turtles in a tree, and an umbrella. Okay, here's the green S and the word sour. And there's the umbrella. And here are the 10 turtles in a tree. Yay! Who is this fellow? This fellow who wants me to eat his green eggs and ham. Color the page to find out. It says, I am Sam. Yeah, it's Sam I am. Red fish, blue fish. What other color fish can you think of? Fill in the circles below to find out what new colors you can make. Then say the color names. Okay, so first we have the colors red and yellow. That's gonna make orange. And next we have blue and red. That'll make purple. And the last one is yellow and blue. That makes green. Great job! Someone came to play with Sally and I on a rainy day. Who was it? Color the page to find out. It's the cat in the hat. No doubt about that. Who said I know some good games we could play on a rainy day? Connect the dots in numerical order. The answer is the character that is not crossed out. Okay, so the only character not crossed out is the cat in the hat. Yay, we got it right! Okay, here's the very last page. It says, mirror, mirror, can you spot the 5 differences between the pictures of the cat and the hat? Okay, let's look closely for 5 differences. The first one I see is the ball he's on is different colors. And look, the tray he's balancing is also different. This cat has a red bow tie and this one is green. That's 3. Looks like the toy ships are also different colors. And the fish in the bowl are different too. That's 5 differences. Let's see if we got them right. Fish, boat, tie, plate, and ball. Yay, we got them all! Wow, coloring in this Imagine Ink book was so much fun! I loved all the different games, puzzles, and pictures inside. And Dr. Seuss sure has some amazing books. Alright guys, thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed this coloring video! Have a colorful day and I'll see you tomorrow! Bye! Hey everyone! Be sure to check out my Kimmi the Clown coloring books at itskimmi.com or Amazon.